Hey Realty fam, welcome back to another segment of Craft with Novelty. Today we're making some St. Patrick's Day inspired bracelets using beads and a little bit of luck. But more than that, these bracelets are all about faith, courage, fortune, and power. You know, things we all need in our lives. And since yesterday was Women's Day, I figured how appropriate to incorporate and mix both of these together, St. Patrick and a little encouragement for the girlies. If you're new here, let me give you a little history. Craft with Novelty was originally meant for crafters, and first of all, it wasn't even originally called Craft with Novelties. I didn't even come up with a name with it. I wanted it to be something for small business owners who needed a little company while working, because let's face it, we all know, at least if you're a solopreneur, or a solo crafter, you know how it gets very, lonely sometimes. I used to create with just, the captions and the music in the background, but after carefully reconsidering, I decided to add a segment where I actually talk to y'all while I work. So it really feels like you have a work buddy, someone to craft with, vibe with, and keep you company while you create. So let's get into it.
Vision board ready, got goals in my sight. Orders rolling in, yeah, the future looks bright. Busy don't mean I forget who I am. My hustle is style, success in my hands.
From my Tumblr to my tea, every piece is part of me. Where my power sit, my dream, I stay grinding, I stay seen. Manifest a move, I make it real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait.
Okay, so for the St. Patrick's Day vibe, we're going with classic greens, golds, or maybe a little white or black to keep it looking clean. Green symbolize growth and good fortune. Gold for success and prosperity, and white for clarity and new beginnings. Now, I've also got these letter beads to spell out faith, courage, fortune, and power, because sometimes we all need a little reminder of our strength. What's the word that keeps you going when times get tough? Leave it in the comments.
We create, elevate, and dominate.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans. Emails, design, supply, demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest.
Busy days, but I stay in control. Sipping my dreams while I reach my goals.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans. Emails, design, supply, demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest.
Busy days, but I stay in control. Sipping my dreams while I
Alrighty fam, so if y'all haven't figured it out already, I'm just gonna let the music play for a bit so you can just watch the process or keep working on your own craft while we chill. Just know that whatever you're creating, I know it's coming along beautifully.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans. Emails, design, supply, demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest. Dream is on fire, do it, never die. Dream is on fire, do it, super die. Dream is on fire, do it, super die. Manifest and move, I make you real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait. We create, elevate.
Before the world wakes up, before the noise takes over, I rise, I pray, I manifest. And then I slay for every dream I've written down, for every goal I refuse to let go. This is the movement, this is the mindset. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. Wake, break, slay, that's the way I start my day. Keep dreaming, stay soft, let's build the life we love. No days off, alarm rings, time to rise. Another day to claim my prize. Hit the floor, hands to the sky, say my thanks, now watch me fly. Emails popping, orders flow, hustle steady, watch me grow. Custom pieces, made with care, every simple vibe I wear. No fear, no no doubt, no second guessing. Every move I make is a manifested blessing. Wake, pray, slay, I queen the way, I pave the way, keep dreaming. Stay soft, let's build the life we love, no matter the cost. Late nights green glow bright, feeling orders getting it right.
Alright, Novelty fam, so we're starting with faith. I chose faith because it isn't just about luck. It's about believing within yourself. Even when things don't make sense yet. I feel like crafting is a lot like faith. You don't always know how a piece will turn out, but you trust the process, you know?
Dream in sight, but I put in the work, I put in the time. Every little win is a mountain I climb. I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will come to me. My dreams are valid, my work is worthy. Every sale, every step, every move, I am aligned. My success is inevitable. Wake, pray, slay, I turn my dreams to real today. Keep dreaming, stay soft. Let's build the life we love, we're taking off. To my queens who keep pushing, keep striving, keep glowing. This is for you. Every step, every late night, every order packed is leading to something bigger. So let's keep building, let's keep believing. Catch you later, Novelty fam. Tasting every light, in the shadows and the sunlight. Wish I could turn back time, but the future's got its own design. I'm reaching out, hoping for a sign. Can't resist, can't deny. Second chances, they're hard to find, but my heart still holds the key. I know this road leads nowhere, but my feet keep walking there. I'm singing this song to you, hoping you'll hear me come what may. Late at night I whisper your name, dreaming of the love we once had flame. It's a dream, but I can't escape. Caught in this web, can't make it break. I'm reaching out, hoping for a sign. Can't resist, can't deny. Second chances, they're hard to find, though my heart still holds the key. I know this road leads nowhere, but my feet keep walking there. I'm singing.
Okay, so moving on to fortune. And no, I don't just mean money, you know? Fortune's about recognizing the blessings we already have. I mean, even sitting here making art, having this creative space is something to be grateful for, you know?
This song to you, hoping you'll hear me come what may. Ain't no stopping me, I'm gonna ride this motherfucker till it breaks. Ain't no stopping me now, I'm gonna ride this motherfucker till it breaks.
Moving right along to courage. And honestly, this one to me is a big one. And it's simply because sometimes courage isn't about being fearless. It's about pushing forward even when, you know, you're scared. Whether you're starting a new business, making a big life move, or just trying something new. Courage keeps us all going, and you can't deny that.
The city's my home, but the streets be mine. They nothing to lose, cause I'ma leave it all behind. And if I die, then baby, so what? The city's my home, but the streets be mine.
Vision board ready, got goals in my sight. Orders rolling in, yeah, the future looks bright. Busy don't mean I forget who I am. My hustle is style, success in my hands.
From my Tumblr to reality. Every piece is part of me. Where my power sit, my dream. I stay grinding.
What you need in life: money, power, respect. Cause the key to life is money, power, respect. Big up Look came one time. Finally, we're here. Power. And yes, I love this one. Power isn't about control. It's about knowing your worth and stepping into it. You're powerful just by being you. So when you wear this bracelet, remember that.
Moonlight plans, emails, design, supply, demands, but I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest.
Busy days, but I stay in control. Sipping my dreams while I reach my goals. No slowing down, I was born to rise. The crown is mine, no compromise. Manifest a move, I make it real.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans, emails, design, supply, demands, but I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest. Dream is on fire, do as never die, dream is on fire, do as never die, dream is on fire, do as never die. Manifest and move, I make you real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait, we create, elevate.
All right, Realty Fam, here they are: faith, courage, fortune, and power wrapped up in a bracelet. And honestly, if I do say so myself, I do like how these came out. So tell me which one speaks to you. So that's it for today's craft with novelty. I hope these bracelets remind you that you've got everything you need: faith, courage, fortune, and the power, the key to life, right inside you. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. And then let me know in the comment section which bracelet is your favorite, or what word you would add to this set. And let me know what it is that you liked about this craft video. If there's anything that you felt, I could have done better or I could have done less of. How about the music? Were you feeling it? Let me know. And as always, keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. I'll catch you later, Novelty Fam. Bye.